Everybody, so I'm outside. It's raining. It was snowing before. I'm just doing my thing. I was cleaning off the Toyota Camry. Should have put it on YouTube. I don't know if you guys like that. I saved the best for last. Watch this bad boy. Oh. Oh. Look at this, huh? Woo! Not supposed to do that because if there's no wax on the car and there's sand, then you could potentially scratch the whole thing. But yeah, you could pretty much stay like that. I didn't do that much shoveling because I worked, and once you don't do it, it turns like this. You half do it. And you just have one walkway going up, which is frozen, and then goes up, and you barely get mail, and who knows if you even get the mail. And around all these cars, it's gonna melt. Who cares? Take it easy.